Hello guys and welcome back to another video by Motor Enigma, and today we have the 3 Series GT with us, finished in Alpine White and looks absolutely beautiful. So let's just review it. Here we are in the engine bay of the 3 Series GT, and it's a beautiful engine bay. As you can see, it's an inline 4 diesel turbo which produces around 188 horsepower, and it's 300 newton meters of torque, and that's a beautiful engine bay. And coming down towards the headlights, there are BMW style DRLs, daytime running lights, and there are two projector headlights. Coming towards the rims, these are 18-inch alloy rims, and they have disc for in the front and in the back, and these are Continental tires. This is the luxury trim. The badging is over here. Coming towards the side, this car has particularly frameless doors. Beautiful frameless doors. Coming towards the boot, it's an automated boot. It's 570 liters of boot space. And if you want any more boot space, you can anytime fold the front seats like that, and you have a lot of space. Putting this down, and here we are in the BMW 3 Series GT's interior. As you can see, it's beautiful leather. It's really nice. Here it's leather. Here's the glove box, as you can see. Decent size of glove box. Here's the volume preset. And coming towards over here, you have the infotainment system. Multimedia, radio, telephone, contacts, connected drive, vehicle information, and many other settings. And these are the radio presets. They have 8 presets over here. These are the AC controls. And coming towards over here, this is the automatic. This has a 8-speed automatic transmission, and it's only rear wheel drive, so you can have some fun. And coming towards over here, it has a traction control off button if you want to, and just below that it has a sports button. So if you want to change the modes, there's the Eco Pro mode, there is comfort mode, and there is sport mode. So I'll just keep it in Eco Pro mode. And there are some parking sensors here if you want to enable or disable them at any time. And coming towards the steering, as you can see, it has beautiful steering. Here you can see there are modes for, you can choose FM, AM, CD, or Bluetooth, or anything. If you scroll this, you can see your radio presets that you set. You can see it over here because it's half analog and half digital. You can see that. You can see the time over here, the diesel, how much diesel you have left with. The tachometer goes to 260, and the ref counter is 600. It red lines is 600 RPM. Here there is volume plus and minus button. You can accept calls and reject calls. And towards over here, you have the lighting controls. For example, if you want to keep it on auto, or you want to keep it high beam, or for whatever. And coming towards over here, there is storage space over here, as you can see. And over here there is one ashtray with a lighter, or an output you can say. And here's the start stop button. And here you can see the beautiful panoramic sunroof. I'll just open it and you just see how beautiful it is. Yeah. So now, as you've seen the sunroof, let's go to the back. See, we are sitting behind in the BMW 3 Series GT, and as you can see, I have a lot of legroom here and a lot of headroom too. And there are lights over here. You can turn it on and turn it off. These are 3-row seats, so 3 people can sit over here. I don't think about the person in the middle because there is a huge hump in between. But there are 2 climate control vents over here, so you can turn it to cool and turn it to hot as you want. And that's it over here in the back.
Yeah. MD, JPB, it's only right, baby.
Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck. that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah.